it strikes fear. Bodies on the streets, blood in the alleys. People screaming, children crying, presidents talking about victory, but people suffering.
War, war, a nightmare that never ends. Suffering and death, the consequences we know. We must stop, we must halt the war that's destroying our future.
Bombs falling, houses burning, people fleeing, but where can they go? Politicians talking about peace, but it's just a word, while people are dying and their dreams are being destroyed.
War, nightmare